Hi, are you looking for holistic health solutions for your child's health? Well, welcome to our parental guide for parents to support them with holistic solutions. I'm Angie Tourani. I'm a holistic healthcare practitioner and a BodyTalk instructor. I've been practicing this holistic modality for over a decade and helping people and specifically working with children with various different health conditions. So let's look at what is BodyTalk system. BodyTalk system is a simple holistic healthcare system which is about helping the body's intelligence to repair and heal. So it's by optimizing the body's intelligence and innate wisdom so it can function as it's designed. And BodyTalk is about addressing all the underlying factors and using simple techniques to clear those traumas and stresses that could be compromising the body's intelligence and its functioning. Now, children health, we look at various different health conditions. Common one that comes up is colicky, digestive issues, food sensitivities, skin conditions, immune system disorders, where it could be a child who's prone to infections, colds, flus, ear infections. Now with BodyTalk treatments, I have worked with many children and I have been privileged to see transformational shift in kids' health with BodyTalk treatments when it comes to immune system and colic. So when we are talking about these health conditions, there could be various causative factors that could be contributing it. Now, let's start from fetal life, which plays a big role. Now, fetal life, everything that is going on in the fetal life with the parents, mother and father, in the environmental stress, physical toxins, everything has got huge impact on the child. So many times a child that is showing up allergy intolerance or personality of fear and anxiety that could be encoded once those epigenetic markers are triggered in fetal life. So with BodyTalk treatments, we work with various tools and techniques to clear and neutralize those emotional traumas and optimize those epigenetic markers that could be contributing to all these symptoms. Another big factor that comes up very common as a causative or a root condition contributing to these health conditions is childbirth. Now, a child that's born with natural birth has got a strong immunity because the baby is getting this microbiome through the birthing canal, through natural birth. And then second way of getting the microbiome from mother is breastfeeding. So microbiome is the healthy gut flora, which is transferred from the mother to the baby through the natural birth and breastfeeding. And many times the children that have gone through C-section or they have not been breastfed, they have a compromised immune system and it may take them quite a bit time to rebuild that immune system and gut flora. Then childbirth could be sensitive. There could be traumas, stresses, where a child has been separated and put in an incubator. And the trauma of the childbirth, which could be imprinted on the five senses. Let's say a child who has gone through separation, injections, or being put under light. So all those senses could be creating this hypersensitivity, leading to their overreactions and emotional issues. Now with BodyTalk treatments, we could be addressing all that whole process. And so our five senses are like our filters. These are windows through which we perceive life, and any trauma, especially through childbirth and the first year of when the child is quite vulnerable, can get imprinted on these five senses. And that could cause hypersensitivity to sound, to touch, to taste, and they can become picky eaters or create allergies and intolerances. So BodyTalk system is about listening to and identifying those unique causative factors that has been in the background compromising those immune system. Now another important factor we spoke about gut microbiome, which could also be disrupted through vaccinations, antibiotics. So repairing and restoring the gut microbiome is crucial with addressing allergies and intolerances, which sort of shift the immune system into inflammatory mode. As well as gut microbiome dictates the profile of the child's emotional health. So if a child is sensitive, fearful versus totally calm and comfortable, that comes from the gut profile. With BodyTalk treatments, we could be addressing the underlying causative factors that have disrupted the gut flora and reboot the healthy microbiome profile, which has got huge impact on shifting the child from anxiety and stress to totally feeling calm and comfortable. So there are so many different factors that could affect your child's health. Specifically, as a parent, the biggest responsibility would be taking care of yourself while you're taking care of your child. Because in that early years, the child doesn't have a personality of their own. Everything that's going on in the parent's environment is imprinted on them, all the stresses. So many times, addressing and working on the parents, you see a lot of positive shifts on the child, because child is like a sponge, soaking all those stresses from the parents. So with BodyTalk treatment, the beauty is it could be done at distance. It's totally non-invasive. There could be so many factors. And as a practitioner, there is no fixed recipe or a treatment plan to address any issues. It's about listening and communicating with your body's intelligence to identify what are those unique stresses imprinted on this child's innate wisdom that is compromising its immune system or emotional health, and then using totally safe, non-invasive techniques to help the body unravel that story into this optimum health and well-being. Well, if you're looking for holistic health to take care of your child, BodyTalk ticks all the boxes that could support you. And it's one of very simple, safe, non-invasive treatment that could support your child's health. And somehow the treatments work amazingly quick because they don't have belief systems blocking it. So check out my website for more information. Sign up for a 20 minutes free consult if you'd like to know more. And like and subscribe my channel so I can keep producing more information on holistic health to support you. Thank you for joining me.